Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we will consider a function f of n equals an integral from 0 to infinity e to the minus y phi of yn dy, where phi is a function of y and n, which equals an integral from 0 to infinity sine of xy divided by x to the n dx. So let's plug in the thing we are given into the f of n. So we will have an integral from 0 to infinity e to the negative y dy, and now we put in the integral of sine xy divided by x to the n dx. Now here we will use Fubini's theorem to replace these two integrals with respect we are integrating. And so what do we get? We get an integral from 0 to infinity 1 over x to the n, integral from 0 to infinity sine of xy, not divided by nothing, we can write y, dy, and this one is with respect to x. Alright, now when we solved this integral, it can easily be done with partial integration. You should get x over x squared plus 1. When we plug it back here, we will get an integral from 0 to infinity x over x squared plus 1 times x to the n. If I wrote it correctly, I think I did, dx, which is a beta integral, of a beta function. We just need to do one substitution from now. We will substitute x squared to be equal to y, and dx is just dy over 2 square root of y. And now when we put it in our integral, what do we get? We get an integral from 0 to infinity y to the power of 1 minus n over 2, because x becomes square root of y. So we will have y to the 1/2 and then to the 1 minus n. So we just put the exponent in this corner. So what do we have at the bottom? Y plus 1 to the power of 1 over times dy over 2 square root of y. What do we get here? This equals 1/2 an integral from 0 to infinity y to the power 1 minus n over 2 minus 1/2 over y plus 1 to the power 1 dy. So we need to know beta function properties of this integral. So it says that the exponent is if the form y alpha minus 1 equals the exponent, which in our case is 1/2, minus n/2 minus 1/2. When we cancel the 1/2 out, we get 1 minus n to n/2, and the bottom part is in the form alpha plus beta equals 1 in this case. So we have 1 minus n/2 plus beta equals 1. And so we cancel the ones and we get that beta is n/2. So we get 1/2 here, gamma of n over 2, gamma of 1 minus n over 2, divided by what? Gamma of n/2 plus 1 minus n/2, and this cancels out, and this is just 1. And so what do we get? Now we get gamma of n/2 times gamma of 1 minus n/2. Now we use the formula gamma of x times gamma of 1 minus x is just pi over sine of x pi. We use it here. In which manner? Here, and our x is just on n/2. So what do we get? we get 1/2 times pi over sine of n½ times pi. So what do we get at the end? Pi over 2 times 1 over sine of n pi half. That this is the result. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe if you want to see more of this, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.